Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to unlink your Apple account in the Coursera application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then scroll down and at the account section, look for the unlink Apple account button and just click on that. And then just click on the unlink button. And now just enter a new password for your future login. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.